You know time never slows, so don't be blowing it. You only live once, I'm just trying to make the most of it. Trying to stack my dough till I'm rolling in a load of it. Then I could go chill, taking trips to where the ocean is, yeah. I'm making moves of my own, searching for what's mine like I'm rooting for gold. Like a striker on the pitch, I'm pursuing my goals. Got dreams like my beats, I'm producing my own. Trying to set myself a business off my music and clothes, but I still got some other shit to do till it blows. Stash a couple grows, bag it up in O's, pass it to my bros while they smash it on the road. See, I grew up as a con, now it's time to get my pro on. Time for me to shine like the lights up in a grow on. Won't be listening to anybody telling me to hold on. I'm moving at a pace, yo, cause time waits for no one.
Time don't wait for no one. In life, all we have is time. But time don't wait for no one. So I'm gonna make the most of mine.
See, your time can get stolen like my brothers in the pen. Been in and out for years, probably nearly done a 10. Committing crime for dough, cause we struggle in the ends. And if you can't get a job, then you looking to re-offend. I've seen many friends go and piss their life away, spending it inside or getting drugs and getting high for days. But I'm escaping from them kind of ways, make it out the trap, keep seeking till I find a way, yeah. That's why I stay on my grind, still doing crime, finding ways to be wise. See, I'm looking for that money, but I'm praying for time, cause I know it flies by like a plane in the sky. So don't be wasting mine, cause there's no way to rewind. We only get one shot at this game we call life. You gotta play it right, cause one day you will die. You know we got to leave his legacies and babies behind.
Time don't wait for no one. In life, all we have is time. But time don't wait for no one. So I'm gonna make the most of mine. Time don't wait for no one. In life, all we have is time. But time